Ever wonder how death benefits from life insurance policies might impact your estate taxes? Hi, I'm Garrett Ray, financial planner here at the Wealth Guardians and the Ray Financial Group. And you've entered The Vault, our video series pertaining to all things retirement planning. In this episode, we're going to cover how death benefits from life insurance policies could impact your estate taxes, and perhaps more importantly, if you don't want those death benefits to be included on your estate, what are some things you need to keep in mind when you're setting up your life insurance policy? All right, well, don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons down below, and let's get into it. So let's talk about new life insurance policies first. We're going to address existing policies here in a second, but for a new life insurance policy, the death benefit or the proceeds from a death benefit are not included in the estate of the deceased. When another person, often this is an adult child or perhaps it could be a legal trust, is the initial applicant on and the owner of the policy, or when the insured never possessed an incident of ownership on the policy within the past 3 years. Okay? That kind of dovetails into what do we do about existing policies? Let's say that you are the owner and the insured on your own life insurance policy. That's a very common setup. You would need to transfer ownership of that policy to another person or a trust 3 years prior to your passing. So this is something that in planning that we want to have when we're in relatively good health. You also want to make sure that during the transfer, your estate is not listed as a beneficiary and or the beneficiary is not required to use proceeds from the death benefit of the life insurance policy to pay estate claims or expenses resulting in your passing. Well, that's going to wrap it up for today's episode of The Vault. Again, feel free to hit the like and subscribe buttons to catch all future episodes. And remember, financial plans do not create themselves.